Hey guys, I'm back with another video about how to market your Etsy shop or your home-based creative business. And this video is about YouTube. Video is a very powerful way to get customers to know your business and to trust your business very quickly. There's 5 things that I came up with that I think product-based businesses should know. The way that we use video on YouTube should be a little bit different than the way that people who have a blog should use it, people who are just YouTubers. Some people make their entire living on YouTube. So the first thing that I think that product-based businesses who are home-based, you're just trying to advertise on a budget, the first thing you should think about as you go into using YouTube is to not have monetization for your channel be your main goal. It takes a while to get monetized, and there are ways that you can boost your stats so that YouTube will offer you the chance to get monetized, but that shouldn't be your main goal. The main goal should be to get traffic to your Etsy shop or to your website. I definitely think that if you have the chance to be monetized, you should, because it's just extra income, but don't have that be your main goal, because that's going to make you focus on the wrong thing. The second thing is that there is no one way to increase traffic on YouTube. Some people say it's the thumbnail, it's the secret. Some people say it's your content that's the secret. Some people say you need more subscribers. There's no one way. And some of it depends on how you're promoting your videos offline. Are you pinning them? Are you putting them on social media? Are you relying on YouTube search? There's a lot of ways that your videos can be found on YouTube. There's no one thing that you can do that's immediately going to skyrocket your channel. So don't be sad if you try something and it doesn't immediately get you 1,000 subscribers. People spend a long time on YouTube building up their subscriber base. Plus, most of my views come from people who are not subscribed, but who just find me through YouTube search. Generally, things are just one piece of the puzzle. So there's not really one thing that you're going to do that's going to make your channel go crazy and get 1 million subscribers overnight. And even if you do, it might not mean that they come back to watch your content if your content stinks. The third thing is that YouTube does have an algorithm. Obviously, it has a search algorithm that uses SEO and the whole thing. But the thing that it likes best when deciding what videos to show people is the human interaction. So YouTube is going to show you videos based on the things that you've watched in the past. And then they might throw something in to see if you like that too. And then they'll show you more of that. So you can worry about the algorithm and the search and the SEO and all that kind of stuff. And you definitely do need to pay attention to that. If you don't get the human interaction, YouTube isn't going to promote your videos, and it does take a while for that to build up. So again, don't be discouraged if you start out and you're not getting any viewers and you're not getting many subscribers, because it does take time, and it takes YouTube a while to see what your channel's about and who's watching so that they can show it to other people who are similar to those people. And if that gets more views, then they'll start showing it to more people. So it really does like the human interaction, the engagement, the comments, the likes, and that kind of thing more than anything else, so far as I can see. The fourth thing that I learned, which is related to the third thing about the human interaction, is that everything can be faked. Right? So as you get into this, you start to realize that a lot of the videos that you're watching seem to have a lot of immediate views and immediate comments and thousands of comments immediately after they're posted. I should have known this, because you can buy favorites on Facebook. You can buy favorites and followers on Instagram. Well, you can also buy favorites and comments and engagement on YouTube. Don't do that. It's not necessary for you to do that to use YouTube for a product-based business. This is for people who are on YouTube and want to earn the ad money. It's skeezy, it's slimy, it's a scammer thing, So there are ways that you can boost your own videos by promoting it yourself on your own social media. But the real point of having a YouTube channel for a product-based business is to get people to go to your website and buy things. Paying people to go and watch your videos isn't going to make that happen. You want to reach the right people who are willing to buy things from you. And, I should have known it. I just never gave it much thought, because that is not the kind of thing that crosses my mind. And the fifth thing that I learned, which I knew this before because I get a lot of traffic to my YouTube channel from Google, is that YouTube and Google play really well together. And it's because Google owns YouTube. So Google loves video results in search results, and that's organic search results, so you don't have to pay for ads. So if you play your cards right, you can get your video on Google search results. And several of my most popular videos show up really well in Google search results, and that's where I get a lot of the traffic from it. So it's definitely worth it as a product-based business. If you're a home-based business or a creative entrepreneur who has a very short, tight budget for ads, to learn how to use Google and YouTube together in order to get that free traffic, and then you kind of funnel those people into your website or your email list or however you want to do it. And if you're afraid of doing video, it's super easy. If 8-year-olds can do it, you can do it. Don't be afraid of trying it. And YouTube is really a good way to get a lot of traffic to your shop and your website without much effort. So if you thought this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. I will talk to you guys later and have a good afternoon.